'Cause I know I can treat you better.
And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing I normally do when it comes to my nighttime routine is I first brush my teeth because I'm not eating nothing else tonight. To brush my teeth, I just use a regular toothbrush and some Crest toothpaste. Time to floss. I use these little mint flossers. They're super easy to use. I literally just go in and just like scrape in between my teeth. You'd be really surprised at how much stuff is in your teeth after you have brushed them. If your teeth bleed, it's not that big of a deal. Continuing on with mouth and lip care, this is the Chapstick Total Hydration, and it's the conditioning lip scrub. I take it and I put it on my lip and then I just scrub it. And then I just rinse this off with some water. And I just go in with, you know, some Carmex. I OD on the Carmex, you guys. So now from this point, I'm going to be hopping in the shower. Of course, you guys cannot get in the shower with me. But in the shower, I don't really do anything special. I just use a loofah for my entire body. But then use a washcloth for, you know, those lady parts in that butt crack. And I just use the Dove soap. I also use baby wash. Clean, 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 clean. I'm not saying scrub, I'm just saying clean. Especially those lady parts, because in the summertime it get hot, it's sweaty. Hair attracts odor, hair attracts heat, so please clean. Clean your ears and clean, scrub your neck, especially the backs of your neck. Make sure you scrub right here about your chest, by your neck, and between your toes and your belly button. Make sure you scrub your back. A lot of people forget that because you can't really reach it. And yeah. And I will see you guys when I get out the shower. So yeah. Okay guys, welcome back. I do take out my contacts before I get in the shower. And also before I get in the shower, I wrap my hair up. When I get out the shower, I like to lather my body in any body cream or body butter. This particular one is a holiday traditions from Bath and Body Works. This is the Winter Candy Apple body cream. And when I say everywhere, I literally mean like arms, legs, boobs, stomach, back, feet, neck, chest, all of it. After I get out of the shower, I go into my skincare. I keep it super simple when it comes to my skin at night. Literally, all I do is I take a cotton round, the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Just take some of this and pour it onto the cotton round and just really scrub my face gently. Let me pick you up because you just making the most noise. Say hello to Paris, you guys. She just won't be quiet. This is the Tarte Youth or Dare Multi-Acid C Serum. Personally, I use this morning and nighttime. So I take 2 pumps of this. I rub it between my hands and I'll go with this all over my skin. So then, since I have oily skin, I personally don't really like to use oily products, but this is the Pond's Nourishing Moisturizer, and it's for dry to very dry skin. I only use this at night because it has mineral oil in it, and mineral oil is the second ingredient and it clogs pores. For me, a little bit goes a long way, and kind of like pat it all over my face. When it comes to summer shaving and stuff, personally I use the exfoliate shave exfoliate method. Personally, I like shaving under my arms. Personally, I don't really shave down there unless it's like my bikini line, but I do trim everything else down there because, like I said, heat, hair, odor, no thank you. When it comes to deodorants and antiperspirant, I don't know, but that stuff, deodorant, antiperspirant. The difference is that deodorant is exactly what it says, deodorant. It is a cream or whatever that you rub to mask odor. Antiperspirant, on the other hand, is used to not one mask odor, but it also limits sweating. But you have to be careful because the main ingredient in antiperspirant is aluminum. So be careful when it comes to deodorants and antiperspirants when it comes to the aluminum factor. I don't really know if it's scientifically proven that it can cause breast cancer. I recommend switching to a all natural deodorant, and I understand that it's hot. A lot of people believe in or have a religion where they don't really use deodorant because they believe that, you know, what comes from the body, what's natural is what it shall be. And I would say if that's the case, then I would just say stay fresh. Use baby wipes if you want to, and you just stay clean and be good to go. Oh, when it comes to periods in the summer, first, like when it's hot outside, I feel like you should change your pads more frequently, change your tampons more frequently, because like I said, heat, sweat, extra cotton. And in the summertime, I would say wear, even like in the winter, try to wear cotton underwear because cotton lets everything breathe down there. From here on out, I'm basically probably just gonna play Sims really and get on the phone with my bed. I think that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, be safe, be blessed, be humble. It's a cruel, cold world out there, and I think what's all left to say is, y'all know it, say it with me, 3, 2, 1, 2.